Bad breath or mouth odor is one of the commonest reasons patients visit their dentist. The reasons are not far-fetched. It has ended relationships between partner, it affects the social acceptability of a person, self-confidence, and in extreme cases, it can lead to suicidal tendency, etc. Research has shown that 25% of the world population suffer from mouth odor, meaning 1 in every 4 persons suffers from bad breath. The first step in addressing the problem is to be able to know the possible causes. The following are commonest causes of mouth odor. 1. Poor oral hygiene. Lack of toothbrushing or improper toothbrushing methods will lead to accumulation of food particles, which the bacteria in the oral cavity can act upon to produce foul-smelling odor. 2. Gastrointestinal problems. Frequent gastric reflux can lead to the escape of gastric content to the oral cavity. This can lead to mouth odor. Indigestion or constipation can also result in bad breath. 3. Certain food consumption. Food substances such as garlic, onion and the likes can produce mouth odor after digestion and absorption into the bloodstream. They manifest through the breathing of the affected person. 4. Tobacco. The use of tobacco in any form, either by chewing or smoking, can produce mouth odor. The smoke inhaled would manifest in the breath of the person for a considerable period of time. 5. Dry mouth. The saliva naturally has self-cleansing effect in the oral cavity. Consequently, any medical problems or intake of beverages such as coffee or prolonged silence can cause dry mouth, which can result in mouth odor as a result of bacterial proliferation. 6. Use of certain drugs. Some drugs can cause mouth odor by reducing saliva flow or by releasing chemicals in the lungs. Drugs such as nitrates, some antipsychotic drugs and chemotherapeutic drugs can produce mouth odor through either of the aforementioned mechanisms. 7. Ketoacidosis. This usually occurs in diabetic patient, when insulin is low and the body utilizes the fat reservoir. This results in ketone production which manifest in the breathing, leading to mouth odor. 8. Foreign body. This is commoner in children who might have ignorantly placed bodies in the nose. This can result in accumulations of mucus which can cause mouth odor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.